Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Computer Learning, and today I will show you how to create a web page using HTML5 in Notepad or Notepad++ or WordPad in Windows 7. At first right click to your mouse, then new text document, rename it just like 20 and click in it. You can start with Notepad or WordPad just like open with. You can click in Notepad or WordPad. As I have Notepad++, I am starting with Notepad++. So it is starting. So it has started. So file, save as. You can rename it just like web.html. So curly bracket first, then HTML, enter, end of HTML, then head, enter, end of head, and give a title, then give the title that's like page, enter, body, end of body, then bg color. If you want to give a background color in HTML5 in a web page, then you can give bg color equal to, in double hyphen you can give the color you want to give, that is red. You can give green, yellow, black, many things. So I am giving red. So file, save. So open it, the file, web dot html, open it, here web with the find it is starting. So it has come, the background color is red. Again, if you want to mm, give the color of the text, by default the color of the text is black, and if you want to give another color of text, then text equal to double hyphen, just like if you want to give a white color, then white, save, then refresh. as i have not give as I have not given any word, so there is no change. But if I give here in body part a word, that is computer learning, just like computer, then file, save, and refresh. It's computer and its color is white. Again, if you want to give a form in HTML5, then you can give, like, erase it. If you want to give a form, then input type equal to, if you want to give a name, just a text, normal text, then text. Okay, so file, save, refresh. Normal text file, you can give anything, just like this. So again, if you want to cover this area by a word, that is, if you write something in this blank, the word will be removed. Okay, that is, you can find anywhere in a form, just like it will cover here, just like name. And if you want to click here, then the name, this word will disappear. Okay, so if you want to give this type of things, then you have to, just like here, space, placeholder equal to, the word which you want to give will be given in this placeholder. Okay, so in placeholder, just suppose I am giving name. So file, save, so refresh, name. Okay, so if you write a word, this word will disappear. So this is given with placeholder. Okay, so placeholder. Again, if you want to give a number, then you have to give that input type equal to number. Number. Okay. So file, save, refresh. This number you cannot give any word. You can only give any number, that just like if I give A is B, it will not work. But if I give 1, 2, 3, just like, and another feature of this number is you can increase and decrease number, that is this arrow 1, 2, 3, and this arrow diminishing 1, 3, 2, 1, 0, -1, -2, just like this. Okay, this is a feature of number. And if you want to give a placeholder, you can give placeholder, that is number. Okay, so file, save, refresh, here number. Okay, and if you give a number, the number letter is disappeared. Okay, so if you want to give a background color, if you want to give a background color, just like if you want to give some options of color and you have to choose one of these options, then you can give input type equal to color. Okay, so file, save, refresh. Here you can choose any color, that is, click here and you can choose any of the colors, just like this color, this color, this color. So you can choose color. And if you want to see a button made by of your own, then what you have to do is input type equal to button value whatever button, whatever type of button you want to give, just like submit or add or decrease or increase, you have to give here. That is, if I give add in file, save, and here this is a button. Okay, if you click here, it will not work, but it is a button. In my next video I will show you how to activate this button. Okay, so if you want to give a if you want to give a radio button, that is, I will discuss what is radio button and a checkbox. So checkbox is of square shape, but radio button is of circle. In online MCQ test, what you see, the circle type button, that is the radio button. I am giving a radio button. Okay, so here radio. So save. Sorry, I have just given that button, so it has just like a button. If I give just input type equal to radio, no button, no button, no button, then you can see that file, save, reload. It is a radio button. If you click here, so you can see that this is a button, and if you click here, this again I am seeing this will be a color. This will be a blue color. Okay, and if you want to give a checkbox, if you want to give a checkbox, just like if you want to give a checkbox, that is what I said, the square shaped thing. So input type equal to checkbox. Okay, so file, save. So refresh. There is a checkbox, and if you click here, you can see this tick mark is there. So you can make this in your own through programming. So if you click here, this button, and if you click here, this button. So these are the two types of buttons. In my next video, I will show you how to activate these buttons. And if there is two or more buttons, radio buttons, then if you have two or more radio buttons, then all the buttons will be clicked. But in your MCQ test online, you see that you can click only one button. So how to click only one button? I will show you that in my next video. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe this, and share with your friends. Thank you.